capacitor out of the air conditioner. That's why it is 91 degrees in my kitchen right now, and it's also 91 degrees outside right now. You test this, it's 60 I guess you say UF, plus or minus 5% on the Herm side, and on the fan side it's 5 plus or minus 5%. So I did the math. The readings could be between 57 to 63 on the Herm, or 4.75 to 5.25 on the fan. And so now it's time to do the test. Okay, so we're ready to do the test now. So I got it set up. We're going to do the Herm side first. And we are getting 53.4. Minimum is 57. And so it does not pass. Now we'll do the fan side. We are getting 3.9. Minimum is 4.75. So it does not pass. And that's all there is to it. Now before you do any of this testing, you got to be sure. Oh, come on, baby, get off here. You got to be sure to discharge. Got to be sure to discharge the capacitor across the top. How you do that? Insulated rubber handle. You just go right across the top. Both sides right here, like this. Both sides like right here. You'll common to fan, common to Herm. Alright? Go all the way across. Boom. That's how you discharge it, which I have already done earlier today. So, yeah. The part number. You could use this number, but nobody's going to know what you're talking about. I actually used the 3100248.677 number right here. And I was able to look it up online. I think it cost me, with shipping, it was under 20 bucks. Through Amazon, actually. I was supposed to be getting it in 2 days. So, this is how you do this. And I just wanted to do a brief video on it.